Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick one. After the last 4-inch exhaust tip that I installed, I now have 3.5-inch on the way, so I'm going to cut this off and pretty much do the same thing and see how the 3.5-inch sounds. So this is what I previously did about 2 days ago. It was a little big and it sounded really bad. So also you can see this from back out the bumper. So I am going to cut a longer piece and I'm going to start the concentric adapter back here. And hopefully that hides it so that when you're standing farther back, you don't see it underneath the bumper. Now I got it cut off. I got it all cleaned up. I'm just waiting for the pipe to get here. It should be delivered anytime now. So let's see, this is what came off of it. She was a beast, but sounded terrible. Hopefully the 3.5 isn't too bad, because actually the 3-inch really sounded good. It was nice and clean. I just thought that it seemed a little small coming out of the bumper, and also it was not stainless, and I kind of wanted to give that curb appeal of a stainless tip coming out. So yeah, once that gets here, I'll weld it up and do this all over again. So again, just like last time, I'm gonna tack this on after I cut this tube, and then I'll line this whole section up underneath and figure out where it's gonna sit. Quick and simple, it's already done. Like it'll only take a few minutes. There she is, all welded up. It looks a lot more uniform than stepping up to the 4-inch. So yeah, this should look good. Okay, well this turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Hopefully the sound doesn't change too much, because this is perfect. You know, I was kind of going for like a SUPRA style, you know, my exhaust tip's always been angled, but with something a little beefier. And I mean, it turned out great. You really don't see this on E46s too much, and I get why. Their body style, it was just kind of having them come straight out usually looked best, but I don't know, I'm a fan of this. Not too big. Now it's a polished exit, and it's like, I don't know, only comes out of the bumper about half of what my 3-inch tube did. Well, there you have it. It sounds a lot better. It's not so deep as the 4-inch, but a little bit deeper than the 3-inch. Overall though, I'm more worried about how it looks coming out of the bumper, and it looks perfect. So, I mean, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.